Are you staying in a hotel located in the Disney Springs area of Orlando, Florida, and want to go see SeaWorld? I'll show you how on Travel Tricks. Before I get started, thank you for watching this video, and I hope you will subscribe to my channel, as I'm always looking to find ways to help you make your next vacation the best one. Hotels located in the Disney Springs area are dedicated to providing you service to see Disney World, and I'm sure that was the primary motivator for you picking to stay there. SeaWorld is located in Orlando and isn't a far journey from the Disney Springs Hotel area. Walking, it's about an hour and 40 minutes. If you take a taxi, it's going to take you roughly 12 minutes. The most affordable and popular route is to take a local transit system in Orlando. This will get you there in about 26 minutes. I believe you should always prepare and take the time in advance to make sure all methods of transportation are taken care of. The good news is the public bus that takes people to SeaWorld is a direct route, so you don't need to transfer to another bus. The bus stop isn't a very long journey. It should take you roughly between 5 to 7 minutes to get here. Several buses will come by this stop, but the one that we're looking for is number 350. Once you're on, there's a total of 9 stops. The stop that you need to get off at is called Renaissance. Just touch the yellow pad and it will tell the driver that you want to get off at the next stop. Once you get off, it's a 6-minute walk to the entrance. Once you've finished your day at SeaWorld, to get back to your hotel, just walk back the same way you came, through the parking lot, to the bus stop. This time, it'll be on the opposite side of the road. In total, it's a 7-minute walk. Before you know it, you're back. If you want to know how you can see other things to do in Orlando while you're here, check out these videos. I hope these tricks were helpful for you and would love to have you like this video and subscribe to my channel, Travel Tricks, as I'm always trying to give tricks to make your next vacation the best one it can be. Thank you.